Where are you personally at right now in your life? If you rewind the tape 5 years ago and said, I want to be in 5 years from now doing this, or showing up in this way, or being this type of person, are you there? When we were painting on cave walls, it was to communicate. It was to share a story. It was to share a message. It was to help someone understand us better. And we've been doing it ever since. If I understand myself and understand how I want to show up in the world for other people, how I want to get things done, how I want to be supportive of the people who I care about, I will be in a better position to do so if empathy has a role to play. A lot of people talk about empathy and they immediately go to, it's a gift, and some people have it and other people don't. And do you have empathy? And I don't have empathy. And I do not agree with that at all. I believe everyone in this room has the capacity to be very empathic and to show up in the world in a way that is powerful using that capability. If you don't understand yourself, and if you can't commit to a constant understanding of yourself as you go through your own evolution, you're going to have a very hard time understanding other people. When we show up in the world, are we showing up as our whole self? Or are we just being cerebral and trapped in an intellectual state? Or are we so aware of our physicality and self-conscious about our way our body's showing up that we actually can't be any other way because we're being distracted by that? So much of our daily life, when we show up in the world, when we work with teams, when we work with our partners, when we work with our spouses, whatever it might be, it's about supporting them and helping them figure out what they need to do. And if we can understand what they thrive in, what circumstances can I create so that you're going to be at your best, then everything kind of starts to move more smoothly. If we understand what they need from us and we need from them, we're going to be able to do our jobs better, we're going to be able to show up for people better, we're able to be relied on in a different way. The amount of depth you can get to is always there. It's always waiting for you. It's just a matter of finding the comfort and the discomfort to have these types of conversations with people and to really want to understand them at a level and at a depth that maybe isn't so superficial. This is a work in progress, right? As are all of us.